Press the button.
I was gonna say something.
Oh man. Welcome to Daddy Gains. Oh, Daddy Gains? Daddy Bits? The Trade Idea Show hosted by yours truly. Our new show called Daddy Gains. Your Trade Idea Show hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater. And as always, my amazing co-host.
Teflon John here. You're not the Master Crayon Eater. You're eating something else for a snack.
Yeah, I was eating some flock chips. Deep fried chicken skins.
Jesus Christ, my heart.
Jeez, yeah. I mean, they're delicious. They're low carb.
Low carb?
They're low carb.
They are low carb, but it's high fat, high cholesterol.
Nah, cholesterol is nothing but a number. Cholesterol is just a vague statistic. Oh man, how's your day, dude?
It was good. Air quality still terrible. You know, man, that sucks that Lake Tahoe is just burning, man.
I know. Heart goes out to the people of Lake Tahoe. Also, if you're from the Bay or the surrounding areas, don't go up to Lake Tahoe. It's not a vacation spot right now. Don't be that guy. I still see tweets from people who's like, dude, if you're trying to get into Tahoe, don't, because it's a two-way highway, right? If they need to open up the other way, you're clogging it up for the rest of the evacuees. Like, don't be selfish. Also, what are you gonna do up there anyways? Get out.
It's tough,
There's no
man.
reason for you. Yeah, dude. You're not helping the cause of people trying to put out the fires. Also, you're clogging up the freeways. Don't be a butthole.
Yeah.
So, just get out of there. And then, hopefully everybody who was ordered to evacuate can get to safety. It is a tough situation. I mean, this is the price that, this is the price of, global warming and making sure, we're not doing our part into keeping the earth green. This is what happens, right? Global warming is real. So as far as trading goes, how did you do?
Oh, we closed Baba.
Nice.
Baba did well today. Yeah, Baba we closed that at support. So most likely it'll come back down again. I'm looking to re-enter around 164. I still like the chart. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Always remember that these stocks that you guys play don't necessarily have to just keep going up and up and up. It's okay to pay yourself from time to time and re-enter when you see strength again. Right? Mm-hmm. Nobody wants to bag hold, and sometimes we end up bag holding because we're super high convicted on certain plays. But when you see some profits, it'll be a good idea to take what John did. That's why his name is Teflon John, because he knows exactly what to do, and he just deflects all the pain. He brushes it off. He definitely just brushes that off. He's like the Neo of trading because he maximizes each and every single trade. Right? He's Teflon, definitely Teflon. Today is a very interesting day in the market. The SEC is saying that they're looking to hammer down on PFOF. For those who don't know what PFOF is payment for order flow. So when our brokers that we use, they take the overall flow of your orders, what's being bought, what's being sold, and they sell it to market makers, and then the market makers could then use that data to make their trades. Sometimes they hedge against us. It is cold. It is a cold piece, right? And it's it's not good for retail at all. No. It's never good for retail, right? That's why they call us the dumb money, because we don't have payment for order flow, right? But we're not dumb. We're apes. We're smooth brain like that, right? If you guys want to know more about all of these terminology, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. John, are you ready for this one? This one I thought about all day.
Go ahead.
Don't respect the Bollinger Bands? Then expect to lose those bands. That will make her dance. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
That was a good one.
Bro, this one I thought about when I was taking the throne time. I was doing some throne time in the morning.
That was a good one. When did that song come out? I
don't know. That was a song. Was that Juicy J? I think it was Juicy J. It was Juicy J, right? It was Juicy J. It was Juicy J.
Juicy J. Oh
Man,
man.
Juicy J.
Fun
Shout out to
times,
Juicy
man.
J.
Fun
No,
times.
definitely fun times. Definitely fun times.
Yeah.
All right. Make sure you guys hit up, subscribe to our channel, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up. Because John, if they don't give us a thumbs up and they give us a thumbs down, I hope their bands won't make them dance.
Your mama hopefully doesn't need to dance for bands.
Drop that in the comment section below. The stocks you guys want us to cover.
Oh man.
Oh man. Let's get to it after this intro. All right, let's get to some member gains. All right, shout out to Tough Lazy Foshizi with a nice 240. 240 today. Honest work, boys.
It was actually close to a band. Actually, it was 900.
Was that 900?
Yeah, because I had two different.
Oh yeah,
calls.
you had two different positions. Yeah.
I had a 160 and then a 162. The 160 was up like 700.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Shout out to Tough Lazy Foshizi for a nice bander. Right, those bands will make them dance. Dead Press with a 2-banger here, 144 and 216. Took some Clove, took some Facebook, some Tilray. Tilray looked nice today. I don't know why we weren't looking at Tilray today, but that was nice. Workhorse, hit some more Clove on the upside and more Facebook. I see that. Some honest work, boys, for myself. Nice 411 for the day from some swings that I'm holding on to. Right, some honest work, boys. Yeah, let's get to the stocks that we want to cover. We want to review Twitter. Twitter. This is a team play for us. Most of the people in the Discord actually hopped on this trade because the chart just looked extra nice.
Looks good.
Extra nice. We did see some sell-off. Yeah. We had a very weak close to the overall market, but I think that as long as we're holding up these levels and it stays above the EMA 9, we saw a MACD cross today. Again, we just got rejected on the 50. It's not that it's a bad time. It's just it doesn't want to get up to 50. Right? We were hoping for this to hold up until this up to 20, but we didn't see much buying volume for today. We'll definitely keep this on watch, right? We'll see where this all goes. But I still see a potential move to around 67 in the near future. I feel like there's going to be more to this one. You just got to be patient with the swing, right?
Yeah, what happened towards end of the day? It kind of dumped, huh?
Yeah, it kind of dumped. I mean, the overall market was weak to begin with. And it was just one of those scenarios where if the Qs go down, it just takes certain stocks with it. As far as news is concerned, they were granted some patents today. Trends in the messaging platform was a granted patent for them. So this should have ran up. It's just the overall market was just a little boo-boo to begin with, unless you're trading SPY, because SPY was pretty strong towards the end there. Nice bounce up after hours. Not sure exactly why, but we'll get to that. We'll get to that tomorrow once we figure out the reasons as to why. Anything else to add on Twitter? Yeah,
for Twitter, as long as it holds the support line on a daily, we should be good. But if it breaks the 20, if it breaks the 50, then I'm going to add on this one. Currently, I have about six contracts. 6 contracts for September, I believe September 21st. 65 calls. So
nice. I have the October calls for the same strike price. I currently have 3 contracts. Looking to add when it hits strike. That's where I would like to add.
65-ish.
Yeah, 65-ish. We just needed to hold the 65.02 mark, and obviously it didn't hold today. But we'll see more of that. We'll keep you guys updated on this Twitter play. The next stock that we want to talk about is John's favorite stock of all time, Chewy.
Hey, you
Chewy
know what?
reports earnings tomorrow. Say that again.
Chewy boxes stopped showing up to our house.
They stopped showing up, so somebody stopped paying the subscription.
Yes, someone stopped paying them. I was not paying them.
Nice. One thing to note about Chewy is if we zoom out, right, the level that needs to be taken out right currently, short-term level is this right here, 91.17.
You know what? This looks like it's gonna come down a little bit for tomorrow.
You think so?
Yeah.
You want to do puts on Chewy tomorrow?
I will. There you go. I'm saying it right now. I'm gonna buy it at a minute before market closes.
A minute before it closes?
Yeah.
You savage. I'm
gonna do same week expiration too.
So. You savage, sir. I want to take a.
I didn't know you spoke French. Savage.
You savage, sir.
Start using that.
You're welcome. Historically, Chewy doesn't really do well through earnings. We saw this nice pop right here for this, and then ultimately faded away the next day. We're seeing not a whole lot of good movement. I mean, we saw this gap up, and then gap up and sell off, and then it's been trading around this level for quite some time now. As far as a short-term play, I want to short this just in honor of Teflon John.
Thank you. Yeah.
In honor of Teflon John, I think we can do a short. One contract. I think this one contract is very safe when it comes down to earnings plays. Let's take a. I'm curious to see what intraday or after hours did for Chewy. Oh yeah, this looks good. If you see, let me ask you this question though. If you see in the morning that it starts dumping, would you actually hop on that call or that put? Would you buy that put when it starts dumping in the morning and just hold through it? Because you're going to be up already by the time that it closes. You see what I'm saying? Because if it dumps, it dumps.
It really depends on the market condition tomorrow. So
yes, exactly. So that's it pretty much for Chewy. Let's take a look at my favorite stock of the month is AMC.
Stock of the month, stock of the year, man. We've been talking about AMC since January. It's September now.
We have. It's been a year. The AMC saga still continues. I'm liking it again, John. This right here, it's pretty. You can't deny how pretty this is.
That's a pennant right there.
That's pretty. That's a really gorgeous pennant right there. If we take a quick look and draw this real quick. One, and then from the bottom.
Pennant, wedge, ascending triangle, whatever you name it.
Mm-hmm.
Bull flag.
It's nice. It just looks pretty.
48.
It's not over yet. Today we're looking at a close of 47.13. The bid and the ask currently is around 47.40. So there is some after hours action on AMC. By any means, I am not bearish on this stock at all. I still see some MOAS-like movements, and I will be happy once we hit like 120, maybe 120. Maybe if we hit like 75,000, I'll take that too. Just from anywhere from $120 per share to $75,000 a share, I think we'll be happy. Why do you have that look of disgust? Or is
that it for today?
What a savage trying to close it out early.
He spoke French.
But that's pretty much it for Daddy Bits. Any last trades? Anything that we missed? Anything?
No, tomorrow Okta is reporting as well, and we also have Asana.
Yeah.
Ticker symbol ASAN. It's a peer-to-peer company. So
yep,
they ran.
They do. They've had Stairway to Heaven for quite some time now.
Yeah.
Did you get rid of your Asan?
Yeah, I had it. I had it last year. Had 300 shares. Yeah, let it go. Right now.
But again, that's the way of the trader. Sometimes you don't have a crystal ball into these plays, right? So sometimes you really just have to go with your gut, and I'm pretty sure that we'll get those back sooner or later. But that's pretty much it for Daddy Bits. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice post-emptive thumbs up if you like this content, because if you gave us a thumbs down, John,
your mom's a hoe.
No bans for her dance. Follow us on all the social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch, and Bust Down Academy, BustDownInvestments.com. And with that being said, let's get trading, guys. And remember that the charts, they don't lie.
Yeah.